Hey everybody, this is Crystal with Crystal's Diverse Creations. And so I wanted to come on today real quick because I just got my Cricut Maker 3 and the accessory bundles, but I already had a Cricut Maker 3. I actually ordered it from Amazon, and then when I looked a little closer at the Cricut Maker bundle on Cricut.com with the membership, you get 10% off. So it wound up only costing me like maybe, I don't know, 40, 50 bucks to get the bundle, which I thought was a really good deal. So I didn't open the Amazon one. I'm going to actually return it. And somebody was saying that they wasn't coming till like the end of the month. And then I was a little nervous, but I actually ordered it in the middle of the week and it came today. Today is Saturday, June 19th. So I know a lot of people say, you know, I wouldn't buy the next one or whatever. Well, my birthday is Monday. It's my gift to myself. I just did my LLC, so it's a gift to my business, and I just want to share with you guys. So I'm gonna turn the camera around and we're gonna go ahead and unbox this. So I told y'all it was two. I wasn't telling no tale. So the Amazon one came in this humongous box. The other one came by FedEx today, and it was just those two individual boxes. So we're gonna go ahead and get to unboxing. So it's in this nice little box, and it's like this ice blue or something. So I like the color. I have the Cricut Maker. I actually bought that for my birthday. That was when I first started using the Cricut, and that was actually 3 years ago. And I have the white with the gold. So this one is a nice different color. And I'm sure as they kind of move along, they'll have other color options for those interested. Okay. Okay, so what's this? This is just the little getting started and some sample vinyl for you to use to set up your Cricut. They getting like Apple. You literally get the product, not a whole bunch of fluff. Oh, it's pretty, y'all. Look, it's really pretty. It's not as blue as I thought it was, which I'm kind of glad for. It's almost like a platinum-y color, if you will. So let's just sit this down here, and it comes shrink wrapped. Oddly enough. And then you have your cord and the little adapter that goes with it, and you get your 2 pieces of smart vinyl. And honestly, I think that's it. Yep, that's pretty much it. So that's all that's in the box. So let's just take another look at what you got. Not much. So you got your Cricut Maker, of course, your 2 pieces of smart vinyl, your cord, and your setup, which I'm sure is a link. So the other box was not the accessories, it was actually the Cricut shirts that I had ordered, which makes sense because they don't want to sell or ship the accessories until next week. So it's funny because I was actually in Joann's, and I kind of had posted it on the front few groups that I'm in, and I actually brought the Cricut roll holder to go with it, and I don't think that they were supposed to sell it yet, so they actually had it priced at $10,000, and then it came up on my order for $7,500, and it was like, you serious, really? So the lady goes, the cashier says, well, what does it do? Like, you know, like she really thought that was the price. Here I go, ma'am, you all ain't got nothing in the store that costs no $7,500, okay? So they took it off and they fixed the price. So I'm gonna go ahead and unbox this, and I'll tell you the other items that I was supposed to get, or will be getting, I should say. So this is the roller, and this actually allows you to put your vinyl in here and feed it, and it actually has a cutter built into it, and it just kind of allows you to keep the vinyl flat and steady, smooth going through without having to just, you know, usually we try to finagle it and sit it somewhere. So this just kind of braces it, and it of course matches the Cricut Maker and the new Cricut Ear 3. So I'm gonna get the list, and I'm gonna tell you or show you what all comes with the deal that I got, because basically it was $3.99 for the Cricut Maker 3, and then it was $4.99 for the Cricut Maker 3 with the bundle. I'm likely not going to be buying a whole bunch of smart vinyl just because it's probably so expensive, and this came with a whole bunch of that plus tools and different types of smart stuff. So that was $4.99. With your Cricut Access, you get 10% off, and it was free shipping. So you wind up getting $50 off, so it comes up to $3.50. So you only really paid $50 more than what you would have paid for just the machine alone, and you're getting a whole bunch of accessories. So I'll link the picture so that you can just take a look at it and see what you get. So as you can see, this is quite a bundle. You're getting 2 different types of vinyl. You're getting the permanent as well as the HTV. In the smart vinyl, you're getting tools, you're getting transfer tape, and you're even getting markers. Great deal. So I hope this video is helpful if anybody is considering getting the Cricut Maker 3. If you found this video helpful, or if you'd like to leave a comment, like, comment, or subscribe. Thanks as always for watching Crystal's Diversa Creations. Take care and happy Juneteenth.